The world teaches, indeed, many men, especially when they are young, also they are the old ones, that is normal for them to be addicted to pornography. That is normal for them to like a lot of parties, to fall into the chat up lines of other women, to like other women even though they are married. That is normal to spend the whole night with his friend and leave the wife alone at home. It's normal for him. Indeed, there is a movement that normalizes this. And the person who is not like this, he is considered as the one that the wife is in control, the wife is controlling him, he does not have control. So he has this label as inferior as the woman.